willy-nilly to all my routes. And when I say willy-nilly, it just means that for some routes, I maybe want to attach it, and for some, maybe I don't. So here's the deal. I can go above both of my routes, and I can just simply say that there's going to be a function by the name of logger. And for the time being, we're not going to look for any parameters, but yes, they will be there. And then we just take all our, I believe, 4 lines of code, right? And we just cut it out and pass it here. Okay, awesome. And now, of course, where do we attach this function? So we don't have to duplicate our code. And the place is following, where we have the path, and then we have the callback function. Now, in between them, we can stuck a middleware. So in this case, as you can see, I'm referencing the function. Please keep that in mind. So I'm going to go with logger. That's my middleware function. But now there's the second question. Well, in the logger, I'm accessing request object, right? So how can I do that? Because at the moment, I'm not passing it in. Well, the good news is that Express passes it into our middleware function. So in here, I just set up the reference for my function, and Express will do that behind the scenes. It will supply the rec, res, and also a next. And you'll see in a second why we need this next function as well. So again, we don't have to do anything. We just pass here the middleware. Express supplies them. But of course, it's our job to access them as parameters and then set up our logic. So for the time being, I'm not going to do anything with next. I will save